This is Brandon Elsass of Elsass Heating and Cooling, and he will be instructing you on how to install our Thermo snap clamps. Our snap clamps are a universal mounting bracket that comes in the following varieties to fit your everyday needs: industrial, commercial, residential, mini, and micro. Sizes range from 3 inches down to 7/16 of an inch. Today, Brandon will be using our most popular size of snap clamp, which is our residential clamp. In this application, Brandon will be using the snap clamp to hang a refrigerant line set. There are 2 pre-drilled holes at the end of each snap clamp. Select an appropriate size screw or nail and install the clamp to the floor joist, stud wall, or rafter by inserting 1 screw or nail through each hole. Once your snap clamp is secured in place, place the line set within the arch of the snap clamp and push the teeth until they fit securely together. Always check with your local building code inspectors before installing thermo products to ensure code compliance for each state.